Now we shall be discussing how to measure the distance of a planet from the surface of the Earth by parallax method. Suppose this is the Earth and this is the planet whose distance you want to measure from the surface of the Earth. Now take two diametrically opposite points on the surface of the Earth. This is the diameter d a. From point A on the surface of the Earth, you observe this planet through a telescope. From point B also you observe. You see the direction of observation of this planet from point A is along this line and from B is along this line. The angle between these two directions is called angle of parallax. What is that? Angle of parallax, or it is also called parallactic angle. Now if D is the distance between B and P, that is the distance between the planet and the Earth, D. Now AB, that is this distance D, the diameter of the Earth, is lying on an arc. Is an arc lying on the circumference of a circle of radius D. Therefore, this angle theta in radians will be this arc AB, that is capital D, upon the radius small d. Our aim is to calculate this small d. Therefore, from this relation, what is small d equal to? This d upon theta. Remember that theta is in radians. Now this parallatic angle, what is it? Let us find out what it is. Suppose you hold a pen in front of you, in your hand. These are your two eyes, left eye, right eye. You are not looking out of the board. I am looking down, this is your head. This is your nose. You are looking in this direction. You are looking from top. I am looking from top. Now if I hold a pen here in my hand, with my left eye I have to look in this direction. With my right eye I have to look in this direction. If you do one thing, that is, first you keep your right eye closed and left eye open. Then your left eye closed and right eye open. Keep doing that alternately. You will notice that this pen which you are holding here, you are looking in this direction, okay? This pen which you are holding here, it gets displaced with respect to background continuously when you keep on opening and closing left and right eyes. Why is that happening? Because when you're looking through your left eye, you are looking in this particular direction and you have a different background here for this pen. When you're looking through a right eye, you are looking in this direction. Left eye, you are looking in this direction. Right eye, you are looking in this direction from here. The angle between these two directions is called angle of parallax or parallatic angle. Now, this distance between the two eyes, D, it is called the basis. Basis. D is the distance. This basis upon small d gives you theta in radians. Now, suppose this is your left eye, right eye, you are looking in this direction, okay? Looking in this direction. Here is a point P. Point P1 at a distance D1. The angle of parallax is theta 1. This is the basis, capital D. Now if you shift the particle point P a little backwards to P2, so that distance becomes d2. Angle of parallax is reduced now, lesser than theta 1. Still further to a point P3, which is at a distance d3, then angle of parallax again reduces. You know that d1 is lesser than d2 is lesser than d3. d3 is the highest, but lesser the distance d1, more is the parallatic angle. That means theta 1 is greater than theta 2 is greater than theta 3. So as the point is moved backwards, what happens? The angle of parallax goes on reducing. If you keep an object at infinite distance from you, then through your left eye you have to look straight. To your right eye also you have to look straight. That means the angle of parallax between the two directions is 0. Is that clear? It means if d is infinity, distance is infinite. If d equal to infinity, then theta equal to 0. That means if I look at a very distant object with my right eye, I have to look in the straight direction. With my closing the right eye and opening left eye, I have to look in the same direction if the object is at infinite distance. Is that clear? Now I am explaining how to measure this angle of parallax of this planet from the Earth. Let us see how to do that. This is Earth, AB. This is the planet whose distance you want to measure. You want to measure this theta 1. Theta. Because in this relation, capital D, the diameter of the Earth is known. Only what we want to measure is theta. So from point A on this Earth, you observe a star which is at very far, a star which is very far away. That means at infinite distance from you. From A, you have to look in this direction. To see the same star from B, there also you have to look in the same direction. Why? Because that star is at infinite distance. Parallatic angle is 0. Now, viewing the star from A, first notice, then rotate the telescope till you see this planet. In which direction you have to rotate? Towards right. Let us rotate to angle theta 1. Similarly, from here, B, you are observing the star, same star, these both are same stars. You have to rotate the telescope towards left till you see the planet. Let us say you have rotated through an angle theta 2. If I draw a parallel line here, alternate angles, this is also going to be theta 1, this is going to be theta 2. Then what is the parallatic angle theta? Theta is going to be equal to theta 1 plus theta 2. So you understood an indirect method to measure the distance of a planet from the Earth using parallax method or